Place the disintegration tester. Connect the liquid inlet tube. Plug in the power supply and turn on the power switch. Select the language to enter the operation interface. Set parameters: medium temperature, degassing pressure, degassing time, inlet volume, outlet volume. Click to start liquid inlet. The 3-color liquid level indicator changes according to the inlet volume. Heating starts automatically. After the liquid reaches the set volume, degassing starts automatically after heating to the set temperature. Degassing completed. Click to start liquid outlet. Discharge liquid into the container. Turn off the power. Measure the oxygen content. Dissolved oxygen. Meter is not included with the degassing instrument. Oxygen content after degassing less than 3 mg per liter.